Hello my crypto fam and welcome back to the crypto show. Alright, the Memecoin season just got serious guys, and the little Pepe is not just another frog, it's a full-blown layer 2 blockchain with over $40 million raised in a pre-sale and still counting. Definitely guys, I think you're going to love it. Let's dive in.
I just want to tell you that I'm not your financial advisor, this is not your financial advice, please do your own research before making any investments.
LILPEPE is a next generation Memecoin project built on Ethereum-compatible Layer 2 blockchain. It's a lightning fast, highly secure, low fee and entirely powered by memes. You will see guys that right now LILPEPE isn't just riding the meme wave, it's building the chain that memes will ride on without any problems guys. They're all going to love it. Alright, the pre-sale over here, as you can see on the right side, has already passed over $40 million, with stage 8 completely sold out. Yes, it's incredible. Early investors are flooding in as LILPEPE positions itself as a 2025's biggest meme coin breakout right now. I would say overall when a project raises over $40 million in a pre-sale, that's not a hype, that's conviction right now. Alright, now why LILPEPE? Why is it so special, this little coin over here? Right now the LILPEPE is built on an ultra fast layer 2 guys, one more time EVM compatible, backed by real utility and plus a meme powered community. Right now it's fueled by a revolutionary DeFi vision, perfectly is also timed during the meme coin revival. Overall, the only thing better than a memes is utility driven memes guys, namely over here the LILPEPE. Yes, the more about LILPEPE and the whole ecosystem, you can guys dive deeper over here to the white paper. Check out every aspect over here in the white paper because I'm always recommending that you know it already. But you can right now expand your knowledge about LILPEPE guys and see what this little coin has right now to offer us and what are the benefits of it. Alright, over here you can see guys that we have provided with a couple of steps how to buy the token right now. As you can see, if you want to buy it with ERC named Ethereum, you need to connect the MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet and buy from pre-sale widget which is found in the top right corner on the website. Over here you can also buy it with USDT, namely you can same process, just ensure ETF, namely Ethereum for the gas, and also you can buy with a card, namely your credit debit card, also supported by step-by-step guide over here on the website, as you can see by clicking over here on the learn more. Over here guys, you can see on the right side, this is their D app named the pre-sale on the right side, and this is the place right now where you can right now buy the token very easily. Over here we can see right now the roadmap. As you can see a little bit fan over here with a LILPEPE, that is something also what is incredible. Step number 1 is pregnancy, the pre-sale launch, big partnerships, meme bots, community hypes. Number 2 is birth. As you can see, CX Uniswap listings, goal is 1 billion market cap, full-blown marketing campaigns, and over here we have the growth, fast secure layer 2 EVM, top 100 on coin market cap, and also the LILPEPE becomes a chain king right now. As you can see from meme embryo to blockchain reality, the roadmap speaks everything for itself. The tokenomics, as you can see the next part, as you can see the ticker token is a LILPEPE, name is a LILPEPE. This is my contact address over here, and overall you can see guys the pre-sales, taking rewards, CX reserves, total tokens, liquidity, chain reserves, marketing. As you can see guys, supplies also right now the massive over here. Vision is even bigger than that. As you can see, everything is made right now for a long-term growth. Alright, you can see over here also the facts on the bottom website, and also you can guys find the socials like in Telegram and Twitter, where you need to follow right now the LILPEPE, as you can see as I'm doing right now, so you can be informed everything happening with this little project over here. LILPEPE, but a big project, you know it already what that means. Overall guys, definitely follow them over here, and on that way you're going to stay updated with everything what is happening with the LILPEPE. Also you can right now join the Telegram community, as you can see more than 20,000 members in the group, which is really big, and right now in this moment 1.5 thousand people engaged, active, and right now discuss about something about LILPEPE and all the massive plans. You can do that as well. Alright, also over here on the top of the website you can also find a contact us form, and also you can guys see over here that audit is done. That means everything is great about their legitimacy, privacy, and they're caring also about our transparency. Over here you can also see your giveaway. As you can see, this is one right now, $777,000 giveaway. Right now you can see over here how to participate in a LILPEPE pre-sale. The mini contribution of $100 is required. That means you need to buy the worth of the tokens in $100, complete the giveaway tasks, follow, share, target friends, and more. And after that, you earn a bonus entries. The more tasks you complete, the higher your chances of winning. Overall, when I presented to you guys The more you engage, the more things you do here, you can on that way be one of the biggest participants over here. And right now, check out this giveaway, maybe give some win something, and that way also create some massive earnings, because that, guys, my highly recommendation. Alright, what I can tell you guys, LILPEPE isn't here to play, it's here to rewrite Memecoin history. Right now, with over 40 million TORs already raised, its own layer 2 chain and a thriving community, this might be the biggest Memecoin movement since the PEP revolution. Original PEP revolution, guys. Definitely come over here to LILPEPE.com, I'll link in the description box down below, and check it out, guys. Do your own research, guys, for notification purposes. I'm not a financial advisor. Because that, guys, leave me after that in thoughts in the comments down below about LILPEPE, and smash that like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot. That was a Pepe show, and I'll catch you in the next video.